how to create professional sound effects, innovative techniques and steps.
Lots of water.
If you don't mind. See? It's really tasty if you water it down.